I'm going to show you how to tie the poacher's knot. The poacher's knot is a great sliding knot that is super secure and, as the name suggests, is used for poaching. Not really, but that's what the original name comes from. So you have the running end here and you've got the loop. You need plenty of running in. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to end up tying a strangle knot. You wrap the running end here around, and it's basically the double fisherman's bend on a loop. So you can see the X right there. You follow that X, you come around again with the running end. You pass it through and under the X, just like this. So you can see the structure of the knot there. And then you begin tightening it. You'll see that X. And as you tighten this bad boy, you snug it up, there is the poacher's knot. That thing is super solid, and it looks just like the double fisherman's bend because it is. However, this one slides. Now, it's a pretty tight slide. It's not as good as the taut line hitch, but it slides enough to where you can loop through, and then you can catch something, strangle it, whatever you want to do. It's basically a super small noose. This is actually featured in the Ashley books of knots as well. I think it's like book or number 409. But this is one of the more useful knots. And the poacher knot is definitely handy because it's way stronger than the slip knot. It won't just come apart, which is really nice. And it's one of the more dependable sliding knots. This knot and others are featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know, where you can learn all about the knots and, most importantly, when and where to use these. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave questions and comments in the section below where you can ask questions and I can hopefully answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe.